Chapter 1: A New Friendship.
Lena and Mia had been best friends for a long time, or at least that's what Lena thought. They met in middle school when Mia moved to town. Mia was charming and confident, while Lena was kind and quiet. "I'm so happy we are friends," Mia often told Lena. "You are like a sister to me." Lena believed Mia's words. She always shared her lunch with Mia, helped her with homework, and invited her to her house. Whenever Mia needed something, Lena was there to help. But sometimes Lena felt something was wrong. Mia only called when she needed something, help with schoolwork, money for snacks, or a ride home. She rarely asked about Lena's life or feelings. One day, Lena's mother noticed this. "Lena," she said gently, "does Mia help you the way you help her?" Lena hesitated. "She's my best friend, Mom. Friends help each other." Her mother smiled but looked concerned. "Yes, but friendship should be equal. A true friend gives as much as they take." Lena thought about this but didn't want to doubt Mia. Chapter 2: Signs of a False Friend.
One afternoon, Lena was excited. She had won first place in the school's writing competition. "Mia, guess what? I won the contest," she said happily. Mia barely looked up from her phone. "Oh, that's nice." Then she changed the subject. "By the way, can I borrow your notes for history class? I forgot to study." Lena felt hurt. Mia didn't even congratulate her, but she handed over the notes anyway. At school, Lena's other friend, Jake, noticed her sadness. "Hey, is something wrong?" he asked. Lena sighed. "It's just... Mia never seems to care when something good happens to me, but when she needs help, she always asks me." Jake nodded. "That's not what a true friend does, Lena." Lena started paying more attention. She realized Mia only spent time with her when she needed something. When other people were around, Mia sometimes ignored her. One day, Mia planned a small party. Lena was excited, but she never got an invitation. When she asked Mia about it, Mia laughed. "Oh, it was just a last-minute thing. I didn't think you'd be interested." Lena felt a sharp pain in her heart. She had always included Mia in everything, but Mia didn't do the same for her. Chapter 3: A Lesson Learned.
A week later, Mia suddenly acted very friendly. "Lena, I need a huge favor. There's a big project due tomorrow and I haven't done anything. Can you do it for me?" Lena hesitated. She had a lot of work too. "Oh, come on," Mia said impatiently. "You're so smart and it won't take you long." Lena took a deep breath. Then she said something she had never said before. "No." Mia's eyes widened. "What? Why not?" "Because friends don't just take Mia," Lena said. "You only talk to me when you need something. You don't celebrate my successes and you don't support me. That's not what real friends do." Mia scoffed. "Wow, so you're mad just because I forgot to invite you to a party? That's childish, Lena." "No," Lena said calmly. "I'm upset because I finally see that you don't value me as a friend." Mia rolled her eyes. "Whatever." She turned and walked away. At first, Lena felt sad, but then she felt relief. Chapter 4: Finding True Friends. After Mia left, Jake and a few other classmates came over. "That was brave," Jake said. Lena smiled weakly. "I just realized I deserve real friends." Jake nodded. "You do. And real friends appreciate you for who you are, not just for what you do for them." Over the next few weeks, Lena spent more time with friends who truly cared about her. She still missed Mia sometimes, but she knew she had made the right choice. One day, Mia came back. "Hey, Lena, I've been thinking maybe I wasn't the best friend before. Can we start over?" Lena looked at Mia carefully. "I believe in second chances," she said, "but only if we both treat each other with respect." Mia smiled. "I'll try." And this time she did. Moral of the story: true friends support each other, celebrate each other's successes, and give as much as they take. If a friend only calls when they need something, they may not be a true friend.